almost to the home stretch and ready to complete your beautiful new vinyl fence by adding the gates. First, there's a feature I'd like to point out about the Active Yards vinyl gates. We engineer our gates with a design called Stay Square, which incorporates a reinforced pocket into the gate rails. This makes your gate stronger without the use of a brace or visible fasteners. Once you've unpackaged your kit, you'll want to lay out the gate uprights and rails. Then apply the fence cement in the top and bottom pockets of the first gate upright. Insert the top rail into the pocket. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to guide the rail into position. Use a mallet to gently tap it into place. Repeat these steps for the bottom rail. The fence cement dries quickly, so be sure to check the angles before moving on to the next step. Once the cement is dry, start inserting your boards, starting and ending with the one with the U-channels. Next, apply the fence cement in the pockets of the remaining upright and insert the top and the bottom rails. Gently tap it into place with your mallet and check the angles once again. Secure the gate uprights with the self-tapping screws that come with your kit. Use the center line mark to help with the placement and make sure your screws go in straight. Finally, apply fence cement in the gate upright caps and install the top of each upright. When adding hardware to your gate, start by marking the pilot holes for the hinges at the top and bottom of one gate upright where the reinforced pockets are located. Use the self-tapping screws to attach the hinges to the gate upright. Use 2-inch blocks as the spacers to hold the gate in place when mounting your upright to the gate posts. Attach the hinges to the fence post using the screws provided. Adjust the hinges as needed to create an even space between the gate upright and the post. Remove the blocks and make sure you have enough spacing for the gate swing between the upright and the fence post. Attach the hinge covers and check the gate swing to make sure the covers are aligned properly. Next, mount the gate stop approximately 3 feet from the bottom of the gate. Once everything is perfectly aligned, apply your handles, gate stops, drop rods, and latches to complete your installation.